Alright, so I got this one polished, and I'm polishing the metal now. This one's not polished. As you can see, I still got a bunch of splatter on there, which comes off very easily. Okay, so this elbow grease, I've already gotten the sides and the top done. But I use my thumb and I push really hard. And I scrub the dickens out of it. And you can see that shining up. So, polished, not polished. A lot of people think it's going to be easy, and it's not. Well, sometimes it is. Depends on how bad it's on there. This one I would say is about medium. But I have a lot to do. So there is a lot of metal in this shower. But my goal is to get it all looking like that. From that. With this. And this. Oh yeah!